Hey everyone, Lyle Magnuson here with Magnuson Realty here in Vulcan. Before you get those keys and start planning your housewarming party, there's one more important step to take care of, and that's the pre-closing walkthrough. Now, a pre-closing walkthrough, it's your chance to make sure that everything is in the shape you expected it to be before the deal is done. The house should be clean, it should be empty, and in the same or better condition than when you agreed to buy it. For example, have repairs been completed like if they were promised? Are all the appliances still there? Is the furnace humming along like it should? Just that last walkthrough can give you that little bit extra peace of mind. When you're there, check for damage. Are there missing items or unexpected surprises like a fridge that's vanished into thin air? It's also a good time to check the furnace, AC, lights, plumbing, check to see if there's any leaks. Just make sure everything's ready to roll. Buying a house is a big move, literally. Don't skip the walkthrough. It's your last line of defense before signing on the dotted line. If you need any help or have any questions, please let me know. Submit a comment below. And enjoy the great rest of your day, and congratulations on buying your new house.